Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Another quote to try and help kickstart your day. And here are those words of wisdom. Be so happy that when others look at you, they become happy too. Do you realise the true power of a smile? It doesn't matter who you are or who that other person is, but if someone smiles at you, you'll smile back. It's all a big knock-on effect. Smiling is incredibly infectious and can turn anyone's frown upside down. See whose day you can turn around for the better. We all deserve that happiness that's just waiting for us.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.